Now, stocks are stumbling into modest early losses this Tuesday as congressional stimulus negotiations continue to falter. Now, momentum towards any new pandemic stimulus falling after Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell drew a line at the GOP's position that any pandemic support measure include limits on COVID-19 liability lawsuits able to be brought against businesses. Meanwhile, in the forex market, the euro-dollar, that's where we begin, that sees a period of consolidation. The British pound-US dollar pair, that happens to be under pressure, while the dollar-yen intraday, that's under pressure as well. Now, in focus today is the US dollar-Canadian dollar pair. That's under pressure and in focus, the pair breaking below a rising trend line. Furthermore, the pair capped by its declining 20 and 50 period moving averages. Short positions below 128.15 are favored with targets at 127.50 and 127.30. An extension. The Bitcoin dollar intraday sees the relative strength index oversold 19,348, the pivot point, while gold intraday sees its support around 1856. Gold trading above the support at 1856 and supported by its 50-period moving average. Long positions above 1856 are favored with targets at 1876 and 1884 an extension. This while silver intraday support is around 24.40 a troy ounce.